Hey everybody, Todd Toven here, Las Vegas, Nevada. Bacon fried corn. It's a classic griddle recipe. We're cooking it at shows across the country. People go crazy for it. It is the ultimate street and party food. But we have a new recipe for you today. We call it bacon fried corn 2.0. Let's get started. I have my griddle set to medium heat. I have about 1.5 pounds of thick sliced hickory smoked bacon. We're gonna dice that up, put that straight down on the sizzling griddle. Get that bacon nice and crispy. It all depends on the outside temperature, but today the bacon took about 7 to 10 minutes. When the bacon looks beautiful, I'm gonna add a little bit of pureed garlic in there. I'm gonna dump 5 pounds of corn on the griddle. Today I'm using frozen corn that we let thaw out for about 1 hour. We're gonna add crushed red pepper, black pepper, fresh chopped cilantro, and a big old dusting of Blackstone's taco and fajita seasoning. It's a great Tex-Mex seasoning with everything from red chili to paprika. We're gonna use the spatulas to mix that up. The corn's gonna cook in that beautiful bacon grease, and these flavors are gonna melt together. It's so easy, Elvis can do it. This is the ultimate side dish. It goes killer with barbecue, family reunions, pop-up street tents, anywhere. It is killer. Let's plate it up. Let's give it a try. The sweet and the savory mixture, the corn with the bacon, the spices. I'm telling you, that Blackstone taco and fajita seasoning, chili, paprika, it is killer. For this recipe and more, you can visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. So signing off from Las Vegas.
Thank you very much.